This is Tom Key Road in Redwood Valley, and this place was completely engulfed in the Redwood complex, October of 2017. The same wind-driven event that took out Santa Rosa. Here in this subdivision, 40 homes were lost, 5 lives were lost, 5 fatalities. Just had a long chat with the homeowner over here. A lot of folks are rebuilding, some folks are not. The folks that are not rebuilding, the folks that are staying here are buying up their properties and rebuilding. One of the fatalities was caused by a lady who got in her car inside the garage. The power went out and was unable to open the garage door and escape the fire. The fire came from the west over this mountain at about midnight, causing a chaotic evacuation to the north and south in smoke and visibility as low as 6 to 10 feet. As far as rebuilding goes, the cost of rebuilding is up to $350 per square foot. So even the folks with good insurance still had to shell out quite a bit of money, because each of these rebuilt houses have all the new latest fire codes and extremely expensive to comply. Redwood Valley, Northern California. Tom Key Road. I'll be covering more on this subject soon, closer to home, here in Butte County, California, after the campfire.